First thing you want is get this little piece of paper here and tape it down. I've got a couple extras here for warming up, practicing. You'll see that in the video coming up. By the end of this class, we should be right about at that stage and ready to throw some color on. So I'm going to go over this. This is the first part of the video, and that's when we make our rectangle. We'll be using an HB pencil, and we'll be doing little searching lines, but they're hard to see. So I'm just going to give you this first part, and then you put your little circle in here, or you can first of all do the X and find the center, and you'll see my circle's off. So finding the center is very important. I'm making these darker than you would, just to show you, and then move that over, and then we join this up, square the jaw a bit, put in the round part for the top of the head, a couple marks for the ears, and there we have the beginning, see, of our drawing. And that's where we're going to start today, is right here, and we're going to get to this level. So let's start together, and we'll just use these little feathery strokes. We'll make our rectangle. And I'm using 140-pound watercolor paper. And then we put our little divisions in, which we will erase. Don't be afraid to use your pencil and put the divisions in. There's the middle. And then we put our little circle here. Feel your chin. Just give it a little feel. You can feel it comes over here and over here. And it hinges up to your ear. We'll just put a little round mark there for an ear. And no, we're not doing the Tin Man from The Wizard of Oz, even though it might look like it. We are using searching lines. Searching lines are little feathery lines like this, but we're still using our arm, and we're searching out our drawing. Round up here. Now, I think I'm going to make mine a little skinnier here. See? See how I rounded that shape? Same with here. So the chin is a little straighter there. And now I've determined a fairly broad chin, which is fine. And now I'll just use my eraser to get rid of this little line here. This little line here. I'm cleaning my drawing as I go. Got my little brush. Those little voices that you might hear saying, oh, that's not good, or you can't go wrong with this method. And just to prove it, we're going to do a couple characters here. So I'm going to do a quick one here too. And I'm just going to use what's called the pencil head, which is even quicker. Now when we do the ears, let's bring the ears down a bit here. See? Like that. And then let's just add a little lobe there. See the lobe? Now not everyone has earlobes. Some people don't have an earlobe. It just kind of goes straight down to the side of their head. Okay, this one's kind of getting cheeky, see? Don't be, you know, everything doesn't have to be Hollywood perfect. Get used to that idea. There's very few people like that. So having characters, having a character, having something dynamic and different is cool too. Let's say it was going to be of the female gender. And we don't know the age yet. But I've brought this over. Now you may know some really extravagant hairstyles. Go for it. This is my basic, simple. Could have a pigtail in the back, or the hair could be up. I'm thinking maybe the hair is up. There's a top knot up here. I mean, what? We're not allowed to draw a grandmother? Everyone has to be a certain age, certain size, certain look. I don't think so. Oh, there we go. Erase that. What if you get a contract to do a storybook? Okay, so maybe we'll add a few little wisps here. I don't know. I'm just making this up as we go. I'm not pretending that I know who I'm drawing. I'm just drawing using the principles. Well, one of the things I know is that there should be 5 eyes if you want to do it right. 5 eyes. 3. So a head is kind of 5 eyes wide. I mean, these little things help us draw 5 eyes. Now, which eyes do you choose? Well, I think we'll probably use these 2 eyes. And then if you connect these 2 with a triangle, another little trick, that's usually your nose. And whatever's left, whatever division's left, if you make a little box and find the middle there, that's the bottom of your mouth, and there's your chin. So it all worked out. Oh, we almost got spectacles here. Look, coming through the ears. Maybe we'll do that. Okay, so what do I do now? See all my little divisions? It all helped. Let's go over that little division again. I like that. So we made this. Every time you do it, get confident in what you're doing. Get confident. And then we did the 5 eyes, 1 in the middle, 1 on the side, there, and that'll give you the right width for any head. Take the middle eyes from the center, bring down, that's where the nose, and then there's the mouth. Okay, so I'm just going to darken. There we go. Even from here, you can see that the eyelid goes over the eye, see? So if you do that again on this side, I'm using my little pencil here. And Grandma's looking a little bit, doesn't have to be Grandma. It's starting to young up a bit, I think. When we started with the ears, we just popped them in really quickly. Okay, see, I've removed the ears. I'm cleaning up a few things. I'm taking out the spectacles. Maybe a few of the lines all over the place. Division lines. The chin. I think I'll take that out. And my soft eraser is cleaning things up. So I'll sweep it off. And now I'm going to just mark in the simple ears, just the rounded ones. I'm not even going to put the lobes on yet, but there we go. And now I'm getting the hair in behind the ears. Looks a little more. See how it kind of comes in like that? It's a nice shape. I like that little shape. So the shape is coming around here and just down beside the ears and around the ears. Then we call that an interlocking shape. It just locks right into the other shapes. Now I'll make the hair come just a bit past the ears. Oh, one of my eyes is bigger than the other. It's okay, don't worry. That's the eyeball. Okay, so there we go. I've added a few more things. I like this over the brow thing here. Usually right over the eyes, you can feel your eyes gently there with your hand. And there's a bulge. The eyes are set into your head. Shading, softening, all kinds of things. I'm going to add one more little thing. I haven't decided yet exactly what she's going to be looking like, or is it the middle of the eyes? I'm just lightly bringing this over. I'm going to give her a little smile here. See how it's coming around this way? Because the head is curved. So I'm bringing it around just a little bit there. And I'm starting to sort of see some lips here. If you looked carefully at the drawings and paintings by Leonardo, you'll notice very, very small bits put on. Small bits. Look at that. Now those lips are starting to have shape. Okay, so this is looking a little, as we would say, tight-lipped. So I'm going to take my smaller stump, see if there's anything on it, a little bit, and I'm just going to pull it up a bit. Lips are very much different on everybody. I'm going to make the bottom lip a little fuller, but do you see the dark spot in the middle, how that's staying? That dark spot is your most important part of the lip. I'm just using this little blending stump. Eyelashes aren't, the eyebrows aren't even in. So I'm going to put them up here. Because that's where this is where the brow is. Well, how do you do eyebrows? You know what? I'll just put a little line here for now. Darken here, maybe a little dark here. Just adding little touches. Ears, I'm just going to go on the inside of the ears like this for now. There we go. Like I say, keep the ears simple if you want. Don't get complicated, but do, and I repeat, do have fun. Okay, and we'll see you in the next part of this class.